In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a PDF in DocHub. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening your document, placing text exactly where you need it, and customizing the look so it fits perfectly with your page. First, head over to DocHub and sign in. Once you're in, open the file you want to edit. You can click it from your My Documents list if it's already there, upload a new file from your computer using New and then Upload File, or import from Google Drive, Dropbox, a URL, or even from Gmail. As soon as you select your file, it will open in the DocHub editor, and you'll see the editing tools along the left side. Next, choose the Text tool from the left toolbar. The icon looks like a T, and when you click it, your cursor will change to show you're in text mode. This lets DocHub know you're about to place a text box on the page. Now click anywhere on the page where you want your text to appear. A text box will pop up at that spot, ready for typing. Go ahead and enter the text you need. If you're filling out a form, type directly over the blank line. If the placement feels a little tight, use the zoom controls to get a closer view so you can place it more precisely. After you've typed, you can fine-tune how it looks. Use the controls to change the font style and size, adjust the text color, and apply bold, italic, or underline if you want to emphasize something. You can also set the alignment to left, center, or right, which is especially handy for headers, labels, or signatures. To perfect the placement, click and drag the text box to move it, and use its edges to resize it so your text fits neatly. Aim for good contrast between your text color and the page, and try to match the document's style for a clean, professional finish. If you need text in several places, just repeat the same process to add more text boxes anywhere on the page. Each text box is independent, so you can move, resize, and format each one differently. This makes it easy to keep form fields separate, label different sections, or add notes where they're most useful. That's it. Open your document in DocHub, select the Text tool, click to place your text, customize it, and repeat for as many areas as you need. With these steps, you can quickly make any PDF or document look polished and complete.